Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Let us discuss corpus delicti, where the dead body is not found. Simply to say, when the dead body is not traced, but still when the murder took place, can the police file the charge sheet basing on the circumstantial evidence? Yes. Can the court believe it and give conviction to the accused? Also yes, but sometimes no. So this no was reflected in this case. This is Indrajit Das versus State of Tripura in Criminal Appeal number 609 by 2015, and the judgment was delivered on 28th February 2023 by two judges bench, Justice B.R. Gawai and Vikram Nath. They have reversed the conviction and set aside the conviction of the accused and set him at liberty basing on the benefit of doubt. So many words I have spoken. You have to understand them. The legal meaning, you have to know what is benefit of doubt. Right? So, coming to the facts of the case, the name of the deceased is simply, in simple terms, the name of the deceased Kaushik Sarkar. This Kaushik Sarkar was actually enticed by two of his friends. They took him on a motorcycle. Ultimately, the boy did not return. The vehicle was traced later, and then the police had a clue regarding the dead body. That means they have seen the bloodstains flowing from the main road up to the dense forest. Ultimately, they have caught the real two culprits. One of them is a juvenile, and recorded their extrajudicial confession, and ultimately they filed the charge sheet. But the problem is the dead body is not a trace, but still they have recovered only one limb, and that limb was identified. The mother of the deceased, who stated that her son along with his two friends went on a motorcycle on the particular evening and he did not come back. ఆవిడ చెప్పింది, మా అబ్బాయి ఇద్దరు ఫ్రెండ్స్తో వెళ్ళాడయ్యా, మళ్ళా తిరిగి రాలేదు. దట్ ఈస్ లాస్ట్ సీన్ థియరీ ఇన్ ది ఇండియన్ ఎవిడెన్స్ యాక్ట్. మీకు ఎవిడెన్స్ యాక్ట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. సో బేసింగ్ ఆన్ ద లాస్ట్ ఎవిడెన్స్ థియరీ అండ్ ఆల్సో బేసింగ్ ఆన్ ది ఎక్స్ట్రా జ్యుడిషియల్ కన్ఫెషన్. ఎక్స్ట్రా జ్యుడిషియల్ కన్ఫెషన్ అంటే కన్ఫెషన్ గివెన్ బిఫోర్ ది అదర్ పర్సన్, నాట్ పోలీస్. పోలీస్ కాకుండా బయట వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చింది ఎక్స్ట్రా జ్యుడిషియల్, మేబీ విఆర్ఓ, మేబీ కార్పొరేటర్, అలాగా. సో బేసింగ్ ఆన్ దెమ్ ద కన్విక్షన్ వాజ్ గివెన్, లైఫ్ సెంటెన్స్ వాజ్ గివెన్ బై ద ట్రయల్ కోర్ట్. They approached the High Court, Tripura అంటే అస్సాం గౌహతిలో ఉంటుంది. But High Court also did not interfere. They said the conviction given by the lower court is 100% correct. Agreed by this, the matter has been brought before the Honorable Supreme Court of India by way of filing an SLP, Special Leave Petition. Supreme Court reversed the conviction. Why? Basing on the following point. This is more important. That's why I have made brief facts very briefly. Please remember, every link to establish the guilt of the accused must be established beyond any reasonable doubt. Now, why we are getting a doubt is, no doubt, one of the limbs of the deceased has been recovered. It was not subjected to DNA test. Of course, at that time DNA test was not that popular, but whatever is in the view of the Supreme Court, the DNA test was not done to say that this is a body part belonging to the deceased Mr. Kaushik Sarkar. Number one. Number two, all circumstances, even the so-called extrajudicial confession, last scene theory, all of them should show or should point towards the guilt of the accused. It's not done. Okay. The trial court was convinced that he has committed the offense, and they have to mention, number one, whether the guilt is proved beyond all reasonable doubt. So they did not record the motive, intention, actus reus. All these things are more important in a criminal case. So motive is an established, and the trial court did not mention anything regarding the motive. Then no DNA test was done regarding that body. And last scene theory. Okay, as regards this, the deceased mother told that he was going out and he did not return. So he was going out with his friends and he did not return. They are friends. can they commit the offense? And one of them is a juvenile. So all of you know extrajudicial confession. It is a weak piece of evidence. Basing on the extrajudicial confession, you cannot give conviction. So it should be corroborated. You all know that is weak of it. And recovery. Recovery should be actually, so the recovery not made for exclusive possession. Basing on his confession, the weapons used were found in some other place. They were not found in the possession. So to prove a case beyond all reasonable doubts, all these doubts have come. So therefore, the benefit was given to the accused. Ultimately, the trial court, even though it gave a life sentence, it was reversed in the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So please note down these points. 4 or 5 points I have told you, which were raised by the Supreme Court. That's why law is always so much of with logic and common sense. Right? With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.